Guys, did you know that there are over 1,400 charity organizations in the UK with the license to sponsor international volunteers under the charity worker visa route? Yes, in today's video, I will show you these charity organizations, some of them currently hiring overseas volunteers under the charity worker route with relocation packages. This charity worker visa will permit you and your entire family to relocate to UK. No IELTS required, no experience required. Your partner and children will be allowed to study and work full-time as well. Watch my previous video shown on the screen and learn more about the charity worker visa route. For today, I will be focusing more on the list of charity organizations in the UK with the license to sponsor international volunteers and that are currently hiring now. The purpose of today's video is to protect you from scammers portraying to have the license to sponsor and issuing fake COS. Guys, as I always say, the charity worker visa is one of the cheapest and easiest way to come to the UK in 2025 compared with the other visa routes such as the skilled worker route, care visa route and the study visa route. The charity worker visa pathway is still opened, so take advantage of it now as UK immigration laws keeps changing. When you are able to secure yourself and the family this visa and successfully relocate to the UK, there are several other pathways you could consider for a long-term stay in the UK. Guys, do not sleep on this information. Alright, this is Jenny's UK Experience. Thank you for choosing to watch this video. Guys, I am not an immigration, or legal advisor or recruitment agent offering COS. I do not have any affiliation with the companies I share here, okay? I only share my experience, knowledge and research about UK immigration, relocation opportunities, jobs, study and life in the UK. If you are new here, you are most welcome. Please click on the like button and click on the subscribe button to help my YouTube channel grow. To my amazing returning subscribers, I love you more. Alright, let's get started. Today's video, I've decided to take my time. It's a step-by-step guide as to how to find these companies with the license to sponsor people on the charity worker visa route, okay, with genuine COS, all right, to avoid scammers. Okay guys, let's move straight to Google now. Type in here registered. Okay, so register of licensed temporary worker visa. Licensed temporary workers UK. All right, so you just type it in Google now. Okay, please take note for this. For the list of licensed sponsors, please go straight to the government's website. Don't go to any other websites apart from the government's website. All right, this is how you find the government's website. Okay, it always has this logo here. All right, yes, and also has the gov.uk. okay, the gov.uk is an authentic government website, so always go there. All right, so click on it. Yes, so just as I told you, this is their logo and it is the government.uk. all right, moving down here, you would find register of worker and temporary worker licensed sponsor. Okay, so you click on it. It's an Excel file, so as soon as you click on it, it's just going to download onto your your downloads folder. All right, then you click on it. Alright guys, so this is the opened Excel file. Okay, just take note that any company you find here, what that means is that they do have that license to give COS, the license to issue COS, because obviously I don't see why any company will feature on this list if they don't have that kind of interest to hire people from overseas. All right, it's only when they decide to hire people from overseas, then they will apply for the license, for the the skilled worker license or the charity worker license. So over here, we need to sort out the companies with the license to offer COS under the charity worker visa route. And to do this, just come to sort and filter here, click on it. Okay, then you go to custom sorts. All right, so click on the custom sorts here. So you sort by column E. Okay, so when you are done, you just click on OK. Yeah, and here we have it, guys. There are over 1,004 companies with the license to sponsor international workers under the charity worker route. Okay, as you can see here, I have just sorted out all the companies with the charity worker license. So we have about 1,405. all right, guys, this is a tall list. So the best thing to do is for you to package yourself and now sell out your skills or your capabilities to them. All right, okay, so having this list, we will just choose any one of it. All right, any one of it, and we'll go and check on their website if they are currently hiring overseas volunteers. Just take note that this list is made up of churches, it's made up of ministries, mosque, religious groups and all that. All right, so let's just take any one of it, copy the name here, you copy, you come to Google, you're just gonna paste it over here. So over here you can see ADVERT outdoors centers. This ADVERT outdoor centers is the same as the ADVERT Trust. All right, so please take note of that. All right, guys, so this is ADVERT Trust organization, and as you can see, they are hiring international volunteer. All right, guys, so you move down here, it says join us. People from all walks of life have joined the ADVERT family to serve God through great hospitality and exciting outdoor adventure. We look after our guests with love, care, warmth and enthusiasm. All right, down here. Okay, so these are the details, guys. For the purposes of this video, I do not want it to be so long, so as I have showed you, the best thing for you to do is to also copy the name, okay, and paste it on Google. It's going to open it for you. Then you can also go onto their website and read further. All right, I do not want this video to be too long, okay, but the good thing about this is that they are hiring, and they are hiring as soon as now. I mean now they are hiring. So take opportunity of this and apply now. Okay, this is the apply button. When you are okay, when you are okay reading all of this, then you click on the apply now. As I said, some of these companies, they do offer accommodation, transport, stipend. All right, so even though you're going to work for them for free, they will still give you stipend. That's for some of the organization, and it's for you to go onto their website and read and see if they are offering. If you don't find anything like that there, please send the company an email, okay, telling them, showing your interest first of all, and asking them inquiring about these things. All right, guys. Okay, so we'll move on to the next company now and search. All right, this one, Campbell Community Mortgage. So just copy it. All right, and let's go back to Google just as we did to Aberdeen organization, and come back to Google and fix it here. paste it here, and what I do always is just I add the volunteering opportunities. This will take me straight to their volunteering section. All right, just for the purposes of this video. But if you are doing it, I will entreat you to read more about the company, all right, before you go to the volunteering section. That will help you a lot. All right, this company is also offering short-term volunteering role and long-term as well. Okay, so click on the short-term. What this company does, they said they are an integrated therapeutic company where co-workers live and work alongside adults with special needs. All right, so this is a company that supports adults with special needs, and they support them with work areas such as bakery, food processing, wood workshop, weavery, garden, and farm. All right, so please take note of this. All right, they also have long-term volunteering role, but before that, the short-term volunteering role is for a minimum of 6 months and for a maximum of 1 year. All right, and the long-term volunteering role is for a minimum of 2 years. Okay, so please take note of it and take your time and read about the company and what they do, detailed stuff of what they do. All right, if you are okay and you want to continue with the application, you just click on here, apply now. All right, there's a download button here, so you can download the application form and complete it. All right, okay, let's go on to the next company, guys. The next company, we're going to take Lee Abbey Fellowship. All right, so just copy this one. Let's go back to Google. Lee Abbey, they have one in London and they have one in Devon. All right, so please take note of it. For any of these locations, they are offering international volunteers an opportunity to work with them. All right, so please take note of it. Let's click on this very one here, Lee Abbey, London. Okay, on here it says, we are so glad you would like to explore joining the team as a residential community member, voluntary worker. You will need an up-to-date photo of yourself, details of your passport, travel and funding arrangements if overseas, and references. The form will probably take at least 40 minutes to complete, but at any time you can scroll to the bottom and click save and continue later. All right, and guys, before you start, please take note, it is a genuine occupational requirement that you must be practicing Christian with evidence of a growing Christian faith. Yeah, unfortunately, this is just for Christians. All right, and also it says something here that Lee Abbey, London does not have suitable accommodation for married couples or families. If this applies to you, Lee Abbey, London may not be for you. We will not issue COS for couples or families. Unfortunately, this is only for single persons. All right, so please take notes. For my single persons, please come over to this page, read more about Lee Abbey. If you are okay with it, if you have further questions, you can send the company an email and I'm sure they will gladly respond to it. And just make sure this company fits your current needs of what you are looking out for in terms of relocation to UK. All right, guys, as I said, there's a tall list of companies here, so much, over 1,004. all right, 1,400 and over charity companies ready and willing to sponsor overseas workers. All right, fix your CV, fix your cover letter and your personal statements. Make sure you tailor it to what the company is expecting of you. All right, because they all have different requirements, they all have different things they are looking out for in the right candidate. All right, I always say that there are several pathways to come to the UK, several pathways to relocate with your family or yourself if you are single, to relocate to the UK. Okay, take advantage of these pathways for now that they are still opened. Take advantage of it and put yourself together and start applying. All right, guys, thank you so much for staying tuned till the end of this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Encourage me to keep on making more videos around these contents. I know you are interested in such content, so please encourage me. Subscribe now, share, like this video, share with family and friends, people that will be interested. Please share it with them. Yes, and also let's get interactive in the comment section. If you want me to cover certain areas that I have not spoken about, please put it in the comment section. Let me know which areas you would want me to cover more. All right, okay. I wish you all the best. May the good Lord continually bless you and favor you, because in this journey you need the favor of God. May the good Lord continue to favor you in all your endeavors. Guys, see you in my next video. Bye.